I've been thinking that I want to tell you guys what are we going through as the background actors, like the experiences, like what's happening. You guys will know.
Hi guys, so today we are booked Mzini, so we're back at it again. So now I'm about to do some magic. Okay guys, so now we're out, we're going. This is the final look. Okay, we are out. The winter is mhlophe. Yeah. Asilande ngani my friend, singamphatha.
Ngasho ukuthi uyasilanda iyo lebhale baby on board the transport ne.
So like nang understand good thing guys. Ngithi mina ngifuna ukuyenza i-content whereby when I come back I will do a review, like a video letting you guys know what was happening. If they're treating us bad, you guys will know. If there are people that are rude there, you guys will know. Nang understand?
Yo lana order hle yabona amawili apha nje.
Yeah, like ngizonixoxela ukuthi kahle kahle zikhiphani da, you know, the truth behind the background acting, because I realize that most people don't know what's happening.
And eqaleni besingena la masiye sasane bayabhora nje i-must bona bayayi-prioritize leyo nto leyo, unlike amanye ama-production. Ukhipha ini siyaleha sina sayo round siyalapha yo. Njani? Siya emzini. Nasinoso chicken. Salmana.
Yeah, so this is the last part of the video. So yeah, we did eat. I didn't get enough time to capture all of those things, but we didn't eat breakfast because we were late. But bye.